This way? March 5th, 2009. Hi. Bye-bye. I just had to get the pigtails in action. We're very busy tonight. What have you got? What do you do with that thing? What do you do with that? You show Mama? What do you do? Use it on your nose?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I know you don't like to use it on your nose. Yeah. You're gonna put it in there? Okay, that's a good spot. Thank you. Up. Hi. What are you doing?